How to set up and configure Outlook with a Gmail account. So if you want to quickly go ahead and set up and configure your Outlook with a Gmail account, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Gmail and you're going to click on See All Settings in the Settings tab. Now, once you do that, what's going to happen over here is you're going to go to Accounts and Import. And once you go to Accounts and Import, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking on Add Another Account. And when you click on add another account, you're going to add your Outlook account over here. So as you can see, here's my Outlook account. So you're just going to copy the email of this Outlook account that you have. Okay, make sure that you copy the proper email. So once we do that, okay, we're over here. So once we do this, we're simply going to go ahead and add the email like so. We're going to click on next step. And once you click on next step, we're going to click on send email to grant access. And basically what Gmail does is it sends an email to your Outlook to grant access. And once you get access granted, you're just going to click on the verification email and that will basically add Gmail to Outlook. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.